Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Chimmy from BT21. Let's get started in the center of our page with the nose. So we start in the center, we're going to draw a sideways oval. Going around, and back up towards the top. Now we're going to fill the nose in black. Now on either side of the nose we're going to draw in the eyes. So on the left side we're going to draw a circle. Then we'll move over towards the right and do the same thing. And we're going to fill the eyes in black. Now directly below the nose, we're going to draw a curve for the mouth. Starting underneath the left eye, we'll curve down and up a little bit higher on the right side. Now we're going to draw the tongue. Starting from the end, we're going to draw a half oval, curving around and then back up. Now in the middle, we're going to draw a short line coming down. Now we want to surround the face with an oval. So we step up in the middle, start by curving around towards the side, and then down in the middle. Now we're going to work our way back up towards the right side. Going around, and then back up towards the top. Now we're going to draw on the top half of the head. Starting from the left side of the oval, we'll step out, start with a point. Now from this point I want to curve this out and up towards the top. Bring it down on the right side. Now I'm just going to hook that back in. Now let's draw the lower half of the head. Starting from this point on the left, we're going to curve this out, round out the jaw, and then we'll come down in the middle. We're going to work our way back up towards the right side. Curving out, and then pulling that in. Let's draw the ears on the side. Starting from the top on the left, we're going to curve out, down, and then pull this in towards the side of the head. We're going to line this up on the right and do the same thing. Curving out, rounding out the ear, and then pulling that in. Let's fill the ears in black. Alright, so now that we've drawn in the head, let's work our way down the side of the body. On the left side, we want to step down. We draw a curve going out and then pulling that back in. Now we're going to go to the right side and curve in the opposite direction. Curving around and then back in. Now we're going to move over to the left side and draw on this arm. We're going to start at the bottom of the ear, curve around the tip of the hand, and pull that in towards the side of the body. Now at the top, we're going to draw a straight angled line going up. Now let's draw the arm on the right pointing downwards. We'll start underneath the head. We'll start with a straight angled line going out. We'll round out the bottom of the hand and pull that back up in behind the body. Now from that same point, I'm going to angle up and out. Now let's move down and draw on the legs. In between these 2 points, we're going to step up, start with a straight line coming down. Now we're going to go back out towards the left side. We're going to round out the foot, pull that up in towards the middle. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the ankle, curve out, round out the bottom of the foot, and up in the middle. Now the last thing we're going to do is add 2 drawstrings coming down. So over on the left, we draw 2 short lines coming down side by side. Then we're going to add a circle. On the left side of this line, we curve around towards the bottom of the circle, and then back up on the right. Now the drawstring on the right is slightly longer, so we draw 2 longer lines coming down. Now again, we're going to draw that circle. Starting from the left, curve all the way around towards the right. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Chimmy from BT21. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.